Hello guys, welcome to our brand new series, Margin Trading Tutorial for Beginners. Here, I'll explain everything you need to know about margin trading on KuCoin, from the key definitions to trading practices, and also I'll share with you some useful tips that other traders often made during their margin trading on KuCoin. So hopefully, by watching all our sessions, you'll be able to know how to trade more efficiently on KuCoin. In our today's session, we will talk about how to open your margin trading account on KuCoin and how to transfer your assets to the cross-margin account and isolated margin account. So our today's session is pretty easy. You'll quickly learn how to complete the whole process within 10 minutes. So now, let's get started. I'll show you how to enable your account and transfer assets on the web page. The process on the KuCoin app is actually quite similar. First, go to KuCoin website and log into your KuCoin account. If you haven't registered a KuCoin account yet, you can check out our step-by-step guide video on how to register your KuCoin account. Next, let's click Trade and choose Margin Trading from the drop-down menu. It will directly lead you to the margin trading page. Since I haven't yet opened a KuCoin margin trading account, you'll see here in the red frame that says you haven't enabled the margin trading, and we'll enable it now. Then a pop-up window will show here, which requires us to read the terms and understand trading risks. Then we can tick the I have read box and click Confirm to proceed. Here, a pop-up window of 500 USDT worth of free interest coupon will show. Let's click Go borrow at 0% interest now to claim the coupon. On this page, we can see 0 daily interest rate coupons for various tokens with maximum loan details on them. If you click Claim and Borrow, it will directly lead you to the margin trading page. Since we are not using the coupons now, so now let's go back to the margin trading page by clicking Trade and choose Margin Trading. Let's now start transferring assets to the cross-margin account and isolated margin account. First, we need to enter the 6-digit trading password to proceed. We need to enter the password every time since it can protect my account security. Then you can see I have 2 account choices here. I can either transfer assets to cross-margin account or isolated margin account. If I want to transfer assets to cross-margin account, I'll choose the cross button in the red frame. It's quite small on the page, but if you see from your website, it will be clearer. Then we have selected cross, then click green transfer button above as the arrow shows. And here, we will see a pop-up window that requires us to choose the transfer account. I have chosen main account, and I also need to select the token asset, for example, USDT, and enter the amount of asset. When I'm done, just click Confirm, and it's complete. So if I want to transfer assets to an isolated margin account, then I'll select the isolated button in the red frame, then click the green transfer button to proceed. On the pop-up page, I can select the main or trading account to transfer my assets. Here, I choose to transfer USDT from my trading account. Then I'll enter the exact amount I want to transfer and click Confirm, and that's it. So that's all we need to learn for today's session. You should now be clear about how to open a margin trading account and how to transfer your assets. If you still have any questions, or if there is any other topics that you would like to see in our future sessions, you can leave us a comment below. In our next session, we will talk about how to borrow assets and how to repay loans. If you like our content, don't forget to hit the subscription button and you will not miss out on our future sessions. So thank you for watching. Happy trading on KuCoin, and I'll see you next time.